Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're going to have Will show us how to put that grill back on these speakers. So Will, can you tell us all about the grill?
I'd love to. So the Sonus faber string grill is one of our most iconic design elements. It consists of 2 aluminum posts that attach into the speaker and a set of elastomer strings that connect them. We like the string grill because it completes the look of a fine stringed instrument. It also provides a bit of a psychological boundary between you and the driver, so God forbid they get damaged. Now with the string grill, anytime we're putting this into storage, or we're not going to be using it, because of course it is optional, I always like to do this little trick of twisting the opposite ends of the grill set. Give it a good 7 or 8 twists before you bundle it up and put it back in the box, and you'll never have to worry about it getting tangled.
So Will, is there any tricks to getting the speaker grill back on safely without damaging it or scratching this awesome finish?
I'd love to show you the technique that I use. I believe it's the safest way to do it. So what we're going to do is first attach the bottom. And you can identify the bottom because it will have the string of knots as opposed to the nice clean edge. So the bottom will always have the knots. We're actually going to place the 2 posts of the bottom of the grill into the 2 inset holes at the bottom of the speaker. Once we do that, just to make sure it doesn't slip out, I always like to place my foot very gently against the bottom there. After which, we will go ahead and grab the inside of the top of the grill set. We'll stretch it upwards such that both of those top posts go directly into the inserts. This way you prevent scratching the speakers around the inserts, and you prevent the grill from popping out, causing additional damage while you're doing it.
Thank you so much, Will. That was a really cool trick. So in our next video, we're going to learn how to clean the surface of the speakers.